Imagine a 13-inch iPad Pro that's quarter-pound lighter than the last model, thinner than any gadget Apple has made before, packing completely new display technology and powered by brand new Apple Silicon. Now open your eyes and set them on the Apple iPad Pro 13-inch 2024. Apple has taken a huge swing with the latest Apple iPad Pro, bringing the most significant update in 7 years to both the 13-inch and 11-inch models. Much of what I will say about the stunning iPad Pro 13-inch applies to its 11-inch sibling, though there is one significant difference. The larger iPad Pro is even thinner than the smaller one at 5.1mm versus 5.3mm. I didn't get to spend much time using the two new iPad Pro tablets, and the iPad Pro 13-inch got the lion's share of that time, perhaps because I couldn't stop marveling at its thinness and lightness. I don't think you can overstate the leap Apple has taken here with its iPad Pro line. Sure, the new tablets still have the signature recycled aluminum enclosure, but along with squeezing every last bit of excess air and space out of the tablet, Apple has squeezed in never-before-seen bit of Apple Silicon, the M4. To hear Apple tell it, this 9-core CPU, 10-core GPU and 16-core neural processor SoC was necessary to support something I know I have never seen before, a tandem OLED display. As the name implies, this is two complete OLED panels sandwiched together to make one whole, and it would have been impossible to power that display with any other piece of Apple Silicon. Not even the relatively new M3 could do it. Why two OLED displays? For the light, OLEDs are incredibly thin and efficient, but they are not bright enough. Two panels sandwiched together change that equation. It also means that Apple has achieved some impressive contrast and brightness numbers. The iPad Pro boasts a 2,000,000:1 contrast ratio, 1000 nits brightness for HDR content, and 1600 nits for HDR. Those thin OLED panels are also how Apple was able to achieve the remarkable 5.1mm thickness of the iPad Pro 13-inch. It's unclear if the new M4 SoC played any part in the tablet's slim profile. Apple is somewhat unique in the tech world in its ability to shepherd every stage of development and integration when building a new product. When the design team shows the chip team the wildly thin enclosure it has in mind rather than heads exploding, Apple knows it has enough full stack control to make it happen. Apple announced its new iPad Pro 13-inch alongside an 11-inch model and two new iPad Air tablets on May 7, 2024. The iPad Pro 13-inch starts at $1,299 and the 11-inch at $999. Storage option range from 256GB up to 2TB, and as with all iPads, both Wi-Fi only or more expensive Wi-Fi plus cellular models are available. Pre-orders opened on May 7 with shipping from May 15. It's been a long time since Apple delivered true iPad excitement. Even as a fan of the tablet and its pencil accessory, I saw mostly utility and little romance in the iPad. Today, though, something shifted. It's not just the M4 chip, though putting Apple's latest silicon in an iPad remained a surprising choice. It's the combination of the chip, the incredible tandem OLED display, and a design that is just a few millimeters away from paper thinness. This is the kind of design, display, and performance that can, when put together, quite easily pry $1,299 from your hands. I have yet to test the product, but my early assessment is that the iPad Pro 2024 is a contender for the top of our list of best tablets.